Hello everyone. So this is editor mode Alniad. So I'm editing the video and I just noticed that because of the noise gate I set up on OBS Studio, the audio quality is poor and disgusting. And I also noticed that the video is 3 hours long. So I'm a bit lazy to cut it in half, so I will put timestamps in the description as much as I can. So you can, if you don't like the quality of the audio, but you still want to know what I'm doing, you can look on the different parts and the code I'm writing. In Nano, by the way, I enjoyed this actually. It's minimal and all I like it. But anyway, this video is already too long, so enjoy watching. And if you really don't want to watch the video, it's okay. The next one that will be out, I will re-explain everything in a slightly better audio quality. I still don't have a mic nor the room to record good quality sound. Um, but this will happen eventually, so stay tuned, maybe subscribe and all, and see you soon if you're living now. Bye bye. This session. Oh well, no, it works. So if I go in video, and I look at it, probably it's somewhere. Yeah, okay, so it's somewhere else, definitely. Okay. But alrighty. So, so sorry for those who are coming or watching this YouTube video, and if you don't understand, it's okay. Hello everyone. So I am Alanyad, your favorite and probably only, I don't know, trans developer, and today we're going to code, well, continue coding, actually, my text editor. So you probably don't know, so it's okay, I'm going to explain. So I'm making a very simple code editor, inspired by Nano and VI. So I don't know who or what will inspire me the most in this case, but it's called Jade. Just as wine, it's a backwards. No, it's what? It's a backronym. I think that's how you call it. Basically, it's an acronym with the name of the acronym in it. All right. So for now, I don't really have anything. So let me open a new window. And stitching to Jade, and now the main.com. Oh yeah, because it crashed last time, yeah. So for now it's very simple, and where did OBS go? Right here. Okay, right now it's very simple, so let me actually run it. It's not even a code editor at the moment. It can only display boxes and text. That's it. That's very simple. Oh, welcome to the channel, Alomilo or Gizalomilo, I'm not sure. Gizalomilo or X-Alomilo, welcome to the channel. Thanks for following. That's very, very kind. Thank you. So you can see you have a very beautiful square here, and it works here. That displays that I can do multi-line. Not line wrapping, not exactly. I can do this, and I'm going to show you how. So let's enable back debugging. So here, let's say true. So if I do this, yeah, okay. So you can see I have a beautiful debugging for line at the bottom, which is of course debugging will be disabled in the release if I ever release it. I don't think I will, but whatever. So if I'm wait, so right here. So so right now debug info is only being added here. So if I do strings dot repeat this like 100 times, for example, and I go back here. Oh yeah, I'm so dumb. Sorry. Because in this language you can't have unused imports, so you have to remove them and add them. So as you can see, it wraps. And it's anchor on encode at the bottom. Very simply, but it works. It's all red. So yeah, for now that's all we have. A very simple thing that can display text, and that's it. However, it has some bugs. For example, when it's resized vertically, it doesn't always call. It doesn't always redraw everything well, as we can see here. Not sure exactly how to fix this, but yeah. For now, this will do. And we will see when we get to other things. So, where did I put this? Here. And voila. That's done. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure of what to implement now. Oh, thank you, Lude, for following too. That's very great. Thank you. By the way, I may need to refresh my dashboard. A second. By the way, don't hesitate to chat, people. We're together. It doesn't have to be about me, not the center of this universe, as far as I'm aware. Of this stream now, I'm not even the center. The center is Nano, which is interestingly weird. So I'm not exactly sure of what feature to do next. Probably for now, the simplest thing to do is actually be able to read the file and to display it. And then scrolling, because if I have a file that's too long, it will just overflow under the screen, and this part of the screen will not be rendered by TCell. And so I need to add then a way to scroll, either with a scroll wheel or with key bindings. Either the arrow keys or maybe the J key, the JKL semicolon keys that you may know if you're using Vim in the VI. I'm not sure for VI, but in the I'm pretty sure. Anyway, but for now we need to read text. So I'm not really sure if I want to do this in the main file. I probably could do like reader, let go, probably. I guess I do want a function to read. I may, well, for now I think I can just go simple and actually just read the provided files. But we need to pass arguments, and I'm not exactly sure how to do this with Golang, so let's pass. No, wait, no, you can do this with the flag package. I think that's what it's called. So I think it is. Sorry. I think I could make myself some tea. This will help. By the way, everyone, should I put some music in the background or something? Do you think? Not sure. I wouldn't mind. I even put lo-fi in the tags as a reflect because that's usually what I tend to do. But what do you think? Do you want music or need my deep, beautiful, manly, yet feminine voice? I think it's flagged, yeah. And so, but it's in S-Libs. I'm not sure under what name it. Rags. Yeah, command line passing. Perfect. So I want to import flag. So that's for flag passing. But how can I use this and get the last argument? Or maybe not the last argument, but the non-flagged argument, if you will. uh, as a var. Hmm. I have no idea. I think we could look at a very interesting implementation. So I think so. Termbox, which is not what I'm using. I'm using T-Cell because Termbox and Termbox 2 are both Termbox Go. Sorry, is not really maintained. So there is something using it called Coded by the same creator, in fact, as Termbox Go, being a file editor. So I'm going to look at the implementation and how they're reading the flags, the arguments. Um, I call it religious because there is strong faith in the true one way. By that I mean things like the tab sizes. Hmm, interesting. Hmm, yeah, interesting. There's no settings at all. Yeah, setting management will clearly be in the future of my project, but how do you read a file actually? What I could do actually is it's getting it, I think. So let's let's clone this repo so we can see how it works actually. So what license it is under MIT, right? What? Oh yeah, okay. Oh my god, my memory is so blurry somehow. Okay. So I think let's just build it actually. So let's go build just this probably. Confine main module. What? Maybe Godit.go then? I guess. Um. Oh my god, I'm sorry. What? That is weird. Yeah, why is there no module file there? What the hell? Well, this is a weird project. Is it this old? Oh my god! I just noticed. Oh, yeah. Hmm. Well. Oh my god. Mm, okay, yeah, I understand now. Oh my god, okay. Oh yeah, splitting. Oh, I wonder how we're going to do this. Oh, oh my god. Mm, okay, that is a problem, actually. That is a kind of big problem because I don't have any idea which file version does it use. So let's nanocoded.go, I guess. So it needs all those GitHub thingy. So we may need to download them. No. So go get those. Oh, well, then we do need to initialize a thing. So TMP, don't really care. All right, this should be it. I hope. And define view tree buffer. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm not been building this. Whoopsies. All right. Well then, fuck me, I guess. Um, Yep. How do I do this then? That's probably the best question here. So I can look at examples that are using. So let's text editor. There's micro here. All right. Perfect. So how does it work? So it's using the new standard with CMDNL. Okay. All right. Well, so there's micro.go here. Okay. Interesting. What is clean.go? Okay, so it's to probably some commands or something. But all right, let's. Oh my god, so many libraries. Okay. Interesting. So you have flag version, config the options, debug, profile, plugin, clean, and option flag. Interesting. So you have flag usage, func. Let's flag that usage. Oh, so there is. Oh, interesting. Okay. Option files. So I guess this option flag here, probably. It's not defined, but it's probably maybe used to put all the flags in one map, probably. No? Hmm. Okay, interesting. So how does it? Um, hmm. Do plugin flags. Load input. Mhm. Okay, I think I get this. Load input. Args string buffer. Okay. File var file name, etc. So how does it read the file now? Judging through args or something? Hmm. I have no idea how this works. It's too messy to me. There's too much information for me right now. Um, uh, yeah, this is hard to read. I'm probably just dumb, but I can't understand how it works. Even this. It tranches, so it makes a for each through the arguments. And it's using flag or find string sum match. What's this? What is this? Um, it's in flag R. What is flag R? Actually, it's this. What does it mean? Why? Am I this dumb or something? Why is it using such a weird regex? God, I can't read this. Hmm. So as far as I understand, this passes the argument and somehow verify that they are files or something. But I don't understand how. So what does this actually mean? What does this mean? So start of a line matches a character with index. Okay, so it's okay. So it's okay. So right now it's in the okay. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so blind. Okay, so I understand this. Never mind. I do understand this. First character group matches a digit equivalent to. Okay, so let's actually change this to this. Plus matches the previous token. Wait. So what if? Let's put this back. There's the previous token between 1 and unlimited times. Is it like this? Is it like very similar? Okay, so it's the equivalent of this, but a bit better. Non-capturing group matches the previous to non-capturing. What are non-capturing groups? I really don't like Eureka expressions. No. Is there anything weird in this? Doesn't like it. Badly. Um, so in the end, it just verifies that there is a plus, a digit, any number of digits, and a column. I absolutely don't understand. So this is not to open a file, is it? There are a number of ways micro should start given its inputs. If it's given files and flagged arc, it will open those. So okay, I don't understand this code, but I think I understand what I need to do. I think. So let's do flag. All right. So flag. Okay. Right now we don't expect any flag right now. We just only expect the file name. So let's put an int function here temporarily. So let's do log dot print ln flag dot arg. This and let's exit. And let's panic actually. So what happens if I do go run this? That is so annoying. I really don't like it. So yeah, no, that I think I should probably use F here and percentage, I think, plus V or something. No, hash doesn't really help. Oh, because I'm not calling it. Oh. Yeah, okay. What if then I pass, like, for example, a file name like main.go? Oh, let me build it. So let me build it. So and what if I try to run it? Which could be yeah, okay, it's called Jade. Perfect. Jade and basically like this, for example. Oh, like it's parsed, the name of the comment. What the hell? It's flag.parse, yes, that it is. Mm-hmm. Interesting. So flag.bool, flag.string. So there's nothing about Yeah, there's nothing about a file here. Hmm. Interesting. I can comment and here perfect some location for the configuration. Um, how? The options and that's it basically. Yeah. Huh. Mm-hmm. Well, it's just clever. I use up shorts. Okay. So that doesn't help my thing because it shouldn't be neon. What about like I like this? It's still neon. So what if in my vars here I had like I don't know. Oh, okay, that's the thing. Oh, I understand now. Okay. So we can specify the line to start the cursor at. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Hmm. That's very interesting, actually. I like this. All right. Okay. So let's do like a temporary one again. Flag dot int. Flag dot boolean. That's fine. Is it a flag dot bool or dot boolean? Bool. Okay. Um. So its name will be like TMB and the default false. And then group. Same shit. How am I supposed to use this thing? This shing? Let's just look at the documentation here. So args. Uh, what? Am I this them or something? I didn't understand. Okay, okay, no, this time it's okay. I'm just dumb. Oopsies. I'm also a bit dumb. Okay, if I remove it, it works. I don't really understand though, like, hmm, like, why wasn't it working before? Like, without this. Ah, what? Sure, sure, my dear. Fuck you. Okay, it was just kidding me, I guess. So it works. Okay. Um. Hmm. Mm. So we could actually still use. So what if I don't pass flag? So it does not work. Okay, so it needs to have flag dot pass here. Okay, so this init function will stay there actually, but I will separate the files now. So let's do like hmm. Yeah, I'm lazy to do that. I will refactor in the future because right now I'm still technically doing the basics. I haven't committed anything right now. You know what? In fact, I should comment. Let's remove what was it? Flag. Yeah. All right. So let's do go format. dash W. Dash W. Okay. So yeah, and then let's do git commit. The story. So feat init adds very simple utility functions to display text and boxes. Yep. Okay. And then let's create a new repo. Well, let me do it manually actually, because every time I'm using just FJO like this, the command line, not official, but it struggles with stuff and it's annoying. So let me just create a repo myself. So let's call this one Jade, like this. Jade. Just another text editor. Voila. Template, we don't need a template. And here, gitignore, yeah, go, sure. License MIT, bring me none, but okay, sure. We cannot initialize actually. Cannot do this. Yeah, I will do this anyway. So yeah. Oh, interestingly, everyone is gone, as it seems. There's one viewer, though. Who's still there? Because I see like two people followed me. One chatted for a while before following me, and the other just followed me, and they just left. So I'm not sure. Yeah, that's interesting. But anyway, let's focus on something more interesting. So copy this, git remote add origin as git tool before and trace in case it's needed. Interesting. Interesting. So I may need to go in my configuration and do some things. So let's nano. I think it's that git that config, that git config or something, and just git config. Git config. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's why it was complaining. Okay. Sure. No, it's not in there. What? The fact that it's telling FJO is logging or something, it's because I configured it to do some stuff, but oh, where is it? Huh? What? Where is this? Oh, okay, that's why. That's my fault, and I thought it would work, but it actually doesn't. Hmm. Can I fix this? Oh no. Um. Hmm. It should be just in repository settings or something. Really? So I can't change this? Oh. Overview issues, pull requests, collaborators, webhooks, branches, tags, deploy keys, LFS. So now I can't change it. I need to remove it. Ah. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I thought I would be clever using a feature I never saw before, but actually, no. Okay, that's annoying, but that's fine. Let's create this Jade description, just another text editor. No, wait, Jade is another text editor. Voila. We need to find a template in here. Issues label, I don't care. Go. Items and my key. That's it. Voila. Alright, just need to do git for rebase. For git pull rebase. Oh. Yep, I do. Resolve all complex. Okay. So let's nano. So it's readme, right? Yeah, makes sense. So no. Yes. Then git rebase. Continue. Yep, and then I can git proof. All right, finally. So now we have a beautiful Git repo, and we can come back to opening a file. So yeah, let's do nano main.go. So there is no undo tree in this thing. Valg for sure. Glide for sure. Okay. So yeah, so we need to do this. We need then to do as we did before. So a very simple init function. So in here, we might actually try to pass the things. So now we need to see if flag dot arc 0 isn't nil, then we can just basically like log something to the console and exit. So panic ln hello from Golang. Voila. And so if I try to do this adoption operation, yeah, sorry. It works. What if I do this? It just runs. Okay. Okay. So first we need to clear all those user stuff. So let's remove this, remove those. Well, no, we need to keep It's because of the way I do it. That's only my fault. Okay, so now we do have this. So we need actually to create a new file, a variable. So this file, what should it be actually? I'm not exactly sure. When you do os.read, what happens? Good question actually. So os.read file. Read file, read the name of the file, and return the content. So there's something else I may want to use before reading it for maybe nothing. I need to see if the file exists. So the os dot not read, then I think it's file info. This it's a type. Never mind. Interesting. So it's maybe it may not be a read. The info status. No, it's free really. Just type out file. I don't even have read file. I have new file open. Read same right. So we need to read it. And so when we read a file, I think what returns is just an array, just an array of bytes, which is kind of convenient because we're writing arrays of rules to T-cell. So interesting. So I just want it to be an array of bytes. Actually, wouldn't it be better if it was like a reader or something? I don't know if there's a way to do this. What are all the read possibilities in here? Not a lot, as it seems. Okay. Is there a file package? No, there is no file package. So it indeed should be probably a pointer of an array of bytes, I guess. So then what we want to do is very simply do. So we need also to store the file name, probably. So file. Actually, I think making a type would be more interesting. So type file, I guess file or something. So let's call it file now. File struct. So it could have a lot of interesting functions, probably. So this file struct. So it has data as pointer to bytes. I'm not sure if I want this to store this in a pointer or not. I'll just byte probably. But this file would probably be a structure here, so a pointer to a file. So we also should have main, I think. So this is basically a string. We probably should have its path, I guess. How to? I think in OS you can do this actually. Wait. Current. No. Dir. I think there is a way to get your current directory. How to get your current directory in Golang. It's OS. It's get widi. Okay, yeah, okay, makes sense. So we will do this right here. Let's do this. os.get working directory. That doesn't take any argument. Let's go back here. Get widi. So yeah, so working directory and error. So if error is not nil, get so I want log.fatal f could get current directory error and we want to just put error in here. So then we could have the path to the file very more easily, right? I think. So we can now make file call a new file, new file. And we can say, so we can also import path right here. And so we should be able to do path file that path is equals to path dot join the so we want to join working directory and flag dot arg 0 basically. Yeah, okay. By the way, we also should probably do flag arg 1. See if it's not an empty string, if it does exist. We do want to error to Ctrl F to do open implement multi-file editing. Very simply, and that's it. Okay. So yeah, we have something interesting here. So this should be the path to the file, hoping it is an actual path here. But it should work in almost anyway. And the file name, by the way, actually, I forgot to do this. The file name should probably, very likely actually, be question. It should be path, not that path, just flag arg 0. No, yeah. All right, and here it should just be file name, which is very much simpler. And then we could say file.data. And so error has already been defined. Yeah, error. No, we can't redefine it, but we won't. Error equals os.read file. Thing, that's how it's called. And here file.path. Very interestingly, we're defining file, then its name, then its path with its name, and then its data with path, with its path. All right, so this should be working, I guess. Just in case, I'm just gonna do this one out, and we will see where this gets us. All right. Then I should probably try to do something like log.panic f file content. And also if error isn't nil, we also want to log this to panic, in fact. Log.panic f. By the way, this shouldn't be current directory or something, but working directory. Okay. And so we want to panic and say, I wanted to copy this, in fact. So, what is set mark, by the way? What does this do? So it's Alt A. Oh. Oh, so that's how you select multiple lines. And that's how you can. Oh, okay. I'm learning stuff today. Learning stuff. Okay. So I want to paste this. Couldn't error opening specified file, and then we need to specify error here. All right. So what happens if I say like something that's not a file? Next, with a new line in argument list, possibly missing a comma or. Oh, okay. Where and whoopsies. Here, this. Yeah. And we want the string of the array of bytes. That's the file data. And defined f. What? And define path.join. Oh. Me being a dumbass again. Quit, declared, and not used. Oh, wait, I removed something I shouldn't. No. What? I think I broke something here. Wait. I may have forgotten something. I'm not aware of it. No, I'm not aware of it. Where's the problem? Am I missing a comma on something or parenthesis? No. Maybe they're closing in it or something. Right, let me open this to inside VS Code. Good. What? Yeah. What did I remove? Ah. Right, wait. I should add this to the git ignore. So I should move Jade here and add like nano that as well. Lock. All right, everyone. So I'll resume this stream later. I have some business to attend to. So see you later, and I will resume the recording the video later. Oh, okay. So I started the stream a bit early. let's make a new announcement. I don't know who that is. I'll just copy this and I when it does that, like I'm selecting everything, but it's selecting only like part of this line for some reason. But whatever. Nah, I did what I copied. What the F? Like even when I do Control C, it's not an accurate copy. What the fuck? Yeah, okay, whatever. Let's forget this. Let's just do that. And so continuing to code Jade. Okay. All right. So today, this evening. Well, to me, it's kind of the evening, but maybe not to you. So we're going to code to continue Jade as we did this afternoon, this morning. So we had a problem last time with coding of this. Oh, that's because of this. Oh wait. Okay. I removed something I shouldn't have removed. That's what I thought. All right, that's better. This shouldn't be here, by the way. This should be like right here. Oopsies. Oops. And oops. Alrighty. And so I can just go back here and open it again. So now we should have my problem fixed, and we should be able to try what I just did. So let's search file directory. Okay, makes sense. By the way, I shouldn't have this. I should remove the panic messages, but I'll know this is fine. So let's instead of this put like something like main.go. All right, so it's printed. It prints correctly the output. It panicked and showed it exactly as I asked. Perfect. Okay. So now we can remove it. And we have our file. So I should remove the panicking and put like something like this. Do I no? Okay, I do have format. Perfect. And then like I think it's os.exit one. So I should probably do the same like everywhere. So, so this should be replaced with fmt.print f. Yes, yes, yes. So now I should put all of those places os.exit one, os.exit one, and I think right here too. So os.exit one. Why is that exit? 1. And I think that's it. So this is done. So now we have our file. So so first I need to test, like if for example I put another argument here. I hate this so much. Yeah, okay. V2 implement modify text testing, and it doesn't say that it's panicking or anything, so that's perfect. Perfect. So now we should try to display the file. However, I just realized that we're going to have a problem. Because, let's say I open the file, I print it, then I may be able to do a way to like scroll through it or something, and even at some point to display the line number, and even maybe at some point a relative line number, maybe, I don't know. But we have a problem. What if I figure out a way to edit what's printed on the screen? Let's say this. Some way I can do this. That's cool, right? But like, how do I take the data I modified and save it? This I have no idea. Because I have the file content, I translate them into a way of making them appear on the screen, and then I modify what's on the screen. How can I put it back? This I don't know. Because what's displayed on the screen is not the full file. So I need to find a way that when I edit the file, it somehow edits the file data, and when I save, then it takes this data and put it back into the file. But this part would be easier, but I have no idea how to. So for now, let's just like try something very silly, very silly, very silly. Go in here and let's say if I think it's debug equals if debug, we're going to say draw text. Draw text. So what do I want? I already forgot how I use my own commands. I'll just copy this. Where is it? Yeah. All right. So here I just want green. Here I want a vector 2 that starts at 0, 0, and that ends that I can't talk English. All right. So those are equal to screen dot. I think it's a size. And so very easily I can just place them in a vector, right? Like this. So a vector 2 with this I want none. Right. Nope. And here I want the string of file.data. And so else lf, and I never remember. I think it's l. Or just else. Here it's kind of logical, I think. What the hell? Oh. Voila, and so with that we just need, so I think it's very simple, but here I want to do -1. Even though it's not accurate, it's fine for now. What if I do this? All right, we already have something, and it's already wrapped. Okay, that's pretty. I didn't thought it would like do it straight up, but it actually does. So let's just see. So here we can see that we have the line break, another line break, and another line break. And here we can see that we have two spaces. Sorry, one line break, two line breaks. So we have two spaces. We just have a way to tell the thing to turn a line break into a line break, into basically switching another line. So let's go back to JORTEX here. So I'm not even sure how we found a way, I would say called plus, basically this. So we need to do something else. So before printing, we need to say if R string, just R is equal to this. So I won't support, I don't know how to support /n/r, but /n, not /n, like Unix break. I know how to support it, but I don't know how to support Windows break. So this, because this is not a valid thing, I think. All right, whatever. So for now, just simply do this and continue. I think that no, not colon, actually, row. And yeah, this. And so this. It just works. All right, that is good. But that is kind of the simplest thing. Because now how do I scroll? And that's a good question. That's a good question. Indeed, a very good question. So, we need to introduce a variable here, probably. So like, I don't know, current line or something equals like for ID at default, I guess 0. I think what I can do, I think I can use the get content variable function here. How does it work? Wait. Get content returns the content at the given location. So it's only one location. I wanted to do that with a full line. Like the line where there is like I can do this actually. So I should probably like do a for loop or something. By the way, this doesn't seem right because this should be the line where we have the debug information. Let's say height -1 here. Oh, did I disable it? No, I didn't. -2 then? I'm not sure. What the hell? But actually, yeah. Wait, like let's say, I don't know, debug info plus equals like boom, something like this. Oh, okay. All right. What if I remove it? Oh, that's because it draws nothing when yeah, that's because it's empty. But it should then draw here anyway, because I told it not to. Interesting. So, by the way, we'll also need to use that to set type sizes. The type size. So let's also say like type size equals 4 for now. Like what I'm doing here. And so in draw text here, if r is equal to /I, no, not I. Really, I thought it was I. What the hell? That's weird, actually. Right, so let's copy this thing. I can't. Wait. All right. Let me see. Let me copy this. But I think this will be basically a like yeah. No, that's not what I want. Interesting. Hmm. How? It's not A, of course. It's something else. But I thought it was I. K L P. So N is for this. Vertical. Maybe it's V. I'm sure. Let's just do this and see if it's V then. Alright, so very simply let's do call plus equal for tab size. And continue. I think this is what we should do here. But it's not this. Here I'm using spaces so it works. So as if I could scroll, I could show you that it works, but whatever. So if it's not a V, then what is it? So different I think it's escape characters. Tab. Oh, it's T basically. T for tab. God, really? Hate me. Okay. Okay. However, I think it could be interesting to insert an arrow. Because I said I want to use node font, right? Well, I need to look in the character tables because I think there are just arrows. I think it's symbol.tc that I like to use. If it's not dead. Because the GitHub is dead. Not the type though. Okay. Arrows. Yep. I want to use an arrow. So I want a very small vertical this way arrow. I'm not sure like there's this one which is rightward arrow, sure. But I wonder if there is a short one. No, it doesn't seem like it. Because I could do this. I could like draw maybe not an arrow, but like I'm not even sure. All right. So I need to go to the toilet. So see you in a second. All right. Oh, I forgot to stop the recording. Sorry. How about try this? Because in Nano, if I like select this, I don't have any hint that this is like tabs or spaces. This is a tab, and like in draw text, right? Here, those are spaces. But for now, let's not care about this. Let's care about scrolling. So we need to find a way to tell, so even key. So when it's key escape, it does this. Perfect. But that's what I want. So if f dot key is equal to like t cell dot key, I don't know. Good question, actually. Good question. Hmm. Hmm. I guess arrows for now. This will do. Probably do something else in the future, but arrow keys seem like a decent thing. Oh, perfect. So key space A to Z, backslash, right square, caret underscore. Nope. I want arrow up and down. Okay. But oh, key up, key down. Okay, so key up. So that will do scroll. Wait, what did I call this variable? Current line. Okay. So let's say current line. Plus. Oh no, minus minus. And if current line is smaller than 0, then we need to basically make it equal to 0. All right. So I think this should make us able to go up, but we want to go down right now. I guess having probably in the future, but same, this should probably be like a switch case or something. With one of this is okay, else if the key is equal to the cell that key down, we should probably be able to say current line plus plus. But we need to know somehow the number of lines of the file. We should calculate that very easily, actually, and before, like in the init, because it shouldn't be calculated every time. So let's say like line count. This is an int, even a uint, in fact. We don't really care here, but if you have a file of upload this called graph, again, I'm not really worrying about this right now. But this could be an issue in the future. So I need to calculate it just for God. So let's say if file, no, just like file dot line count, line count is equal to len, I think it's string dot split. I think then it's file dot data, but to a string. And a line break, I think, and there should be a string. Never mind, sorry. And I need to import strings, of course. And then we need. I want as a debug again a debug indication that. So this is temporary, okay, very temporary. But no, never mind. No, this isn't temporary. So in draw text, if if row, right, row is equal to what current line, I think it is. Yeah, current line. We should change the style actually. Style is equal to self dot foreground, no background, and then t-style dot color. I don't know, green, maybe. Oh, I missed something. Line 57. What? Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry. A bit of end. Oh, what? Oh, really? Fine. I didn't know this needed to be explicit. What? Oh, this is. Oh, yeah. Okay, this makes sense. First line, it put in green, then it left it green. Actually, makes sense. Yeah, yeah, it just makes sense. It just freaking makes sense, right? Hmm. I probably will change this to do it on the whole line. But for now, this is okay. So else, oh, it maybe shouldn't be style. So instead of this, I'm going to copy this and put it here. So oh, uh, why is it not everything N? Like the last one. Oh, because we aren't doing code plus plus. Sorry, that's my bad. Okay, but keep. Wait, you must. Oh no, okay, there was a delay of 1. I understand why it makes. Sometimes it makes sense. Basically, here, whatever I press, it will go down. Yeah. Okay. Meaning, basically, if I press anything, and then I do like down, I have to press it once again. Interesting. But now I can scroll, and I can even scroll down now. Okay, so now I need to set. So let's just say that at some point, let's say at some point, but the problem is that what I wanted to do at first is basically here, put current line. But this is wrong, because it's going to just move everything. We don't want to move this, we want to move us. Oh, man, that is difficult. Hmm. Hmm. We need some sort of way to just move content of the file up or down, depending on where we are. This is not really easy, right? Of course it's not. It's software development. What can I do? I think I can maybe uh hmm, uh, this is very temporary, right? But I can try to do maybe only like maybe uh this is so hard to tell. Hmm. Maybe draw file should be like somewhere else. Like draw text, drawing the file should probably be different. But come out again. Is it fine? I guess. To me it is. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. What I can try to do, just to test the kind of the defensive behavior, is to strip some parts of the string. So I can try to say text is equals to strings that join strings that split, then text, then no, then then um, I'm not exactly sure here. I think it should be like something like current line or something. Something like this. I don't know how I'm supposed to say it. I never remember this. Let's just say this, even though it's wrong. Let's just say this for now, and I will look it up just right after. And then this. Hmm. All right. This seems fair. However, I need to verify how it works in real life. So in here, I want to grep. I think it's grep R and like N. Yeah. Okay. So I want this. Okay. Oh, fuck you. And here I probably need to put a file, right? Basically everything. So let's try to do this in internal. Not in here. Indie. Nope. Package. Oh, colon. It's colon. So when you do colon anything, it basically just starts from here and ends at the end. And I'm pretty sure strings.join exists. Let's verify. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Will this work? Well, it really works. I can see I'm scrolling, but it's clearly not clearing the screen every time. So we are going to clear the screen, basically. Like each time at the end, we're going to do this. Oh, and here I forgot. I should say if print line is like bigger than file.line count, then just one is bigger than line count, then we should probably make it equal to file line equals file.line count. Uh, oh, yeah, but it's durant identified as int value. Why can't I do this? What? Well, a current file should be a uint anyway. Hmm. Yes. All right. Fuck you. You okay now? Thank you. So I forgot to add the screen dot clear at every frame. Screen dot clear, and this should clear our problem. Oh. Oh god. Oh. Oh wait. Does that mean? No, I know. I think I know. I know. I really do hope I do. I think instead we just should do this. No, not this. This. I truly understand why it does this. It basically doesn't remove it. It just stays there. Every frame. It just stays it. Stays here, sorry. It just stays here. It doesn't clear it. And then when I try to clear it, we just can't see anything else. But isn't it what show should be doing? Oh wait, this should be here. Here. And hear me out. Clear should be here. So it clears everything, it draws everything, and show everything that has been drawn. Here we go. We can scroll. This cursor is not accurate. It makes sense that it's not because it's slowly going down. Okay, so this works. This works. So this is great. However, this is not how a typical editor works. A typical editor doesn't just scroll every time you do. But by the way, key up and down just work when the for mouse. And this I understand now why it just works in Nano too. Whether I have the mouse being disabled. However, page up and page down don't work. And this makes sense. This makes sense. Okay. Okay. Well, this is like a step forward, you know. So by the way, this here we should do plus not plus one, but plus height, right? So like when I get here, never mind, it doesn't work. What the hell? Like I do this and key down seems to be kind of broken. Works. It work. Oh, you know why? Um, it's stopping here. This is correct. Even though the current line cursor isn't like telling us, hey, this is only a debugging cursor, you know? Like you can see it could get down so much we can't see it. And if you wonder, but hey, there is an empty line here, that's normal. That is simply normal. Why? Why is it normal? I don't understand, and I do understand. I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to explain very simply. This line here is sadly not the -1 I said. No, it is way better. No, do you know what it is? I'm sure you know what it is, and I'm sure you don't know what it isn't. Very simply, this is because I'm using Nano, and it's POSIX compliant. And POSIX compliant editor and in fact text should have files, should have an empty line at the bottom here. Because if I open this in VS Code, but let's just use the Vim just to demonstrate that this is an existing light. Interesting. But anyway. We can see that the line here is not accessible. Never mind, I'm wrong. It's not really here then? Then why is it? Oh. My +1 was right. Right? Oh god, yes. Okay, that is so much good. That is so fucking much good, right? Now we just should try and prevent this from happening. So now, if I do this, never mind. I thought I would have a space. The -2 isn't enough. Actually, yeah. What the hell? Why? Debug is enabled, right? And debug is true. And even if it's like empty debug info, this line should still be visible. So even though I tell it to ignore, to have a certain boundary, it doesn't really give a shit as it seems. Do you? Don't get, yeah, okay, no, it doesn't not give a shit. Oh, no, wait, what? Because this, I thought for a second this was part of the text, but no. Oh, 5 then? 6? Why is it stopping here? I think there's something wrong with the line counting here. So this is right, but it still prints. So basically, if there were anything after this, we can try it. We can try it. We can try it. Yeah. Oh. That is because this should be before every printing. Any printing, probably. Or because line break. Maybe. So we shouldn't continue here. Or should maybe. Okay. But now in the end, we should have a missing line here. So when debugging, we should allow it to go one more. So if debug and if not debug, but so if debug and this, but without the one, it's true. We want to do this, but without the -1. Simply, right? What? That's weird. That's for the switch, that's for the for, and that's for the function, right? 188T. Oh. Oopsies. No, no. Oh, whoopsies again. Doing a lot of whoopsies. And so now I should probably, yes, so I have this trending line right here. Okay. All right. So we have a proper data display. It doesn't support it doesn't at all support syntax padding. I don't know how to implement this. But this is already a pretty big change, right? So by the way, I'm doing this current line thing, but this is useless because there is a cursor in detail. Because there is a cursor in. I think if we do like a screen that show cursor, it just does the thing. Oh, yeah, show cursor at 0, 0. Yep, it's right here. So this does the exact same thing. So by the way, if I do like current line, it doesn't work. What? Oh yeah, that's because it's outside of here. So now, in theory, no. I should be able to do this. Never mind. I should be able to do this. Yes. All right. All right. But in theory too, again, it should be like this. Because where the cursor really is anyway is here. Right? Because the way we're doing this, it's here. However, what should in theory be happening is this. Well, basically, let's put myself here. Basically, if I'm scrolling here, it doesn't do it. If I'm trying to go up and down, it doesn't scroll. It only scrolls when I try to reveal what's after this line. Again and again and again and again and again. Otherwise, I can come here and loop, loop, loop. All right. Sorry. Yeah. This is it. This is the very simplest thing we can do. Maybe. We can do something a bit better. We can say, so first we can rename current line to current row. Current line to current row. Capital R here, C here, sorry. All. Same for tab size. So tab size should probably maybe be this right here. Yep. Okay, and same applies for here. So first let's do it here. And then let's replace data, so file the data, to file the data. Same for file the name, to file the name. Same for file the path, which should be turned to file path with capital P, and same for line count. So, oh, interesting, I can paste in this. So line path, no, oh my god, file that line count to file the line count. Voila. Because if I ever use file outside of this, it should work. And I will probably move it to another platform. Doing a bit of refactoring. Not today, not really into doing refactoring right now. But this looks very cool. It's a very simple text visualizer. Very simple. And I probably could have done that in another way. Maybe there was a scroll here somewhere. Has mouse, disable mouse, enable mouse. Plus even poll event size, hide cursor, show cursor, set cell, show content, get content, set cell. Fill clear thinning. Init. Thing, character set. Interesting. Just run for back and just run for back. Can display. Size has key. Okay. Beep. Okay. So we can just finish probably do current row. Well, we could replace current row with the current, just current, and it could be a vector too, actually. So current, cursor position or something. Yeah, let's do this actually. So right now I'm only using the row, so I can basically do current row. Replace it with current pause dot y. And that will basically be the same. Yes here, yes here, yes here, yes here, yes here too. Yep. But not here. Here I want to replace this one to current pause, which is a vector 2. Well, in fact, we don't have to precise it because in print, vector 2. And, well, by default, 0, 0. So, in theory, it just works. What we should be able to do is if I ever press, we don't really care about debugging right now. So else if f dot key is equal to cell dot key right, you can just very dumbly increase run past dot x. But no, we can't just simply do this. We can't just simply do this because you can notice that here I'm at the end of the line +1, and if I press right, it puts me at the start of the next line. So we need to find a way to do this too. This is annoying too, right? Because right now we have no easy way to do this. When for left is very easy, it's exactly like this one here. Oh, sorry. Here, like right here. It's very simple. We just have to prevent it from going behind the height of the screen, right? And same for the X. You need to prevent it from going too far on the X. By the way, I need to try something. So right here, let's implement a very simple line that will wrap, I think. Yeah. Because this could mess up everything. Yeah. Well, at least it doesn't do what I thought. I thought it would break. It doesn't break. So it stops at H. Yeah. And here, so let's stop at KPH here. It stops a bit further here because we don't have the lines anymore. Which makes sense. It stops here at G this. However, we can see very simply that this is right here and the end is right here. So this is another problem. So this basically means that I also have to go right here, wrap text. And we will have another problem. Because when line breaking, it won't add up to line count, but it's technically a line. It isn't really a line, but it is a line. And this will be the same thing, the same shit when I will try to display line numbers. Okay. I'll do another one for E left. So this one is the easiest because I just really have to just all I just have to do is like this basically and paste it right here. And that's just have to replace every x value y, and that's it. It's y x. Yep. Can you edit? Can you VS Code do that? Yes. Yeah. Interesting. What if I press right? Nothing happens. I can press up, I can press down, but not right and left. I don't know why, and that's because it really should be working right now. Just the quit. Prevent memory leaking. It does work. And somehow, okay, it's somehow not increasing. Oh, that is because I didn't set that. All right, let's fix this. So let's say for now the x will indeed be a current pulse dot x, but it will also be 0 here. So now I can do this, and this is wrong. But again, I think for now this is fine. But this is clearly one of the next bits I need to do. So one thing we can try to do now, if I press, so else if f dot key is equal to t cell, I think it's backspace. So we need to do something like get what's at current position, but for now it must be at the top, so very easy. So first, I guess like we don't really care because we're just deleting it anyway, and we don't have to care about any undo tree or something. So I think right now we can just do set current path should be smaller. Control cut, undo, and paste. And then we can simply do, well, before this, we can do very simply screen that set content, because it really should be set content in my opinion here. So we have to specify the style, the position here. So it should be the current position.x. 0, nothing, nil, and style no, it's tcell. That's style default, right? Yep, I think yeah. And so now we have that. Oh wait, it's not. And so it's not backspace. I thought it was backshot or something. Oh, it's key backspace. What the hell? It is key backspace. Oh, it's key back. Well, I was right and wrong at the same time. Oh wait, so it must be then space probably. Okay. Yeah, we can't have an empty room. Makes sense. And so it doesn't work. At least I tried. Right, so let's debug this again. Very simply, first by doing OS, screen. No, just quit. Quitting. Right. Oh. Oh, what? This is interesting. What? Why? I don't understand. Right? I'm sorry. I don't know what to write. Why? This is weird. How can I? Yeah, I can add this to debug info, right? And add debug at the very end, even after this. So we could like copy those things, right? And I think it should be right here. Yeah, I think it should be. Just I need to verify where this specific character leads. To 4, right? Yeah, to 4. So this, we need to add debug information before. So debug info, is equal to fmt sprint f something like nothing. Yeah, no, not nothing. So percentage this, yeah, exactly. F dot key, I think, but not in the else if actually it should be a bit upper. Never mind, it should just be right here. Voila. That's print. Oh. Oh. But what happens? Slice bounce out of range. That is weird. Oh. What happens? Him? What? Shouldn't be printing this. Tell me that in line 65 or something. The latest line I have. 131. Oh wait, that's the. This for some reason doesn't out of bound app. And in Paddington here. No, in this. But there's nothing to panic here. Something happens though, and I have no idea what. What line is it? 65. Oh. What? Oh. That is because this is considering that I'm in the file. Okay, so let's disable it for now. Some reason it still works. Okay, so tell me this. So tell me that it's 127. This is 127. Oh. Oh, okay, so I understand how it is. It is KBS. No, wait, no. I can't tell if it is. So let's run KBS view. And what will it do? Anyway, right? And percentage video and the cell that key backspace to just use the same, even though those are the same anyway. Eight? What? Or when I press my numbers, they don't do anything. It's just always the same key, really. Even those keys are somehow limited to this number. Maybe it's because it's trying to not show I want. Yeah, because it's showing. And the F keys, they work too, okay. Interestingly. But when I press the control key and anything, then it shows the right keys. And I just counted by accident. Okay. What's 7? Because this is. Those are all. Our tab is 9. I think this should be 7. This should be 8. Like tab is the only that's closed, and the other don't show anything. And enter too, but that's the only one. All the F keys are like high as fuck. Oopsies. What's the delete key? This, okay. What the hell? Why is the backspace key not the backspace key? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, Control A. Okay, but how? Yeah, I think I understand here. Yeah, okay. So where is 127? Key Control backslash maybe. Wait, what's Control V? Never mind. But wait, never mind. It's here. Yeah, okay. No, wait. Okay, makes sense. Where is 127? Because this is from 266 to a big number. And this is from nothing to clearly not 127. Same here, by the way, I don't really understand how they are not overlapping. Maybe they can't overlap? Yeah, okay, they're meant to overlap. But 127, where is it? Let me find key and basically anything. So here we have all of those things. Is it key backspace 2? I don't know. What? Maybe the key is this thing, but what is it then? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's key delete. Okay, interesting. So this, or I don't know why in my case it's this different, but whatever. All right, so there's this weird delay again, and I hate this. That's because I'm drawing the text afterwards. So maybe I should move the drawing of the text, I guess. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh. Oh, I think I know why. No, I don't know why. Hmm. Hmm. Because what if I just do this? And I don't work anymore. Maybe I just don't clear. Maybe. No, it just doesn't show anything anymore. What the hell? But it's using screen.show. Right? Oh. Well, no, it doesn't remove anything, but at least it feels like it's direct. Yep. It's just weird that needs an event. Oh, wait, no. Is it waiting for 11 to do anything? Mm-hmm. 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 I'm lazy to try this. Uh-huh. Sorry, I was very concentrated. Why do I have to press a key? Alright, so now there is no now the lag again. Very great. Uh-huh. However, it doesn't remove anything right now. Hmm. Oh, that's because this specific one needs to be afterwards. Okay, okay, fuck you. Fuck you. Like deeply. Just okay. This just this one. Okay. Okay, that's okay. I understand, you know. I really do understand. And I mean I do, but okay. Then I just do F, the switch F dot type. And so if it is not, just do fucking F. So let's just first paste this thing, and if F dot type is this shit, well, it won't, yeah, okay, it doesn't work. You need it to be in the fucking switch. Just like me. Long keyboard, long key shortcut, long, oh wait, that one, huh? Oh. Switch. That, no. This. And here, let's just add a case. This. Alright, I'm being so tired right now. What do you mean? Whatever this means, sure. You mean undefined? It's right here. Right here. You want me to kill you or something? Just to know, do you want me to kill you? I don't understand how you're doing this, actually. You know? And why it doesn't work here. Why does it work one side and another, not the other? I told you to not. Fuck you. I know there's this freaking debate here. Okay, want to play this game? I will basically modify the file data somehow. I don't know how, but I will find a way. All right, so we know which line we are. We know which row we are. This is easy, right? Maybe I'm being dumb, but I think this is easy. It has to be. Has to be. All right, so let's say file. So let's call it data equals datas lines rows is equal to file that's string split file dot data being cast to a string separated by line breaks. So then what we want to do, we want to modify rows. We want to modify the row at current pos dot x, and we want to say that the room we are not x, y, and we want it to. So we want this actually. So we want to do this and do this probably. Right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we want to do this. Precisely here at current post dot text. Want to say that this room is equal to nothing. So let's call line is equal to, so let's call this one row current row. Let's call okay. Then we can say that current row is equal to this, and then no, not exactly. And then we can say that rows at rows at current post that y question actually is equal to the current row casted as a string. And then we can say that file.data is equal to strings dot void current rows and this. Okay. You mean undefined current string? I never said it. Sorry, I'm being very tired for some reason. Oh, never mind. That's my fault. We need to assign that as byte. So it's doing something. Oh. Okay, I understand why it's doing this. That's okay. Oh. Finally. Why is scrolling disabled? Uh, that's weird. Oh, because they enabled back debugging. We're gonna have both enabled at the same time. I know why, I just don't want to get into this right now. So let's just always return. So now I should be able to, but then it's panicking. And I know why, it's okay. So very simply, very simply, it's because I'm overflowing this thing here, right? So we need to say that this current row here, let's say we need to say that x current post x must limit itself to this. So we can do it. So let's say that current post x, is there a clamping function, man? I want to clamp. No. So we have absolute r cos h I sin blah 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 blah. It's now Huh. Interesting. Interesting. So seal. So you can seal. Yeah, I'm doing that even. Clamp. Okay, so I have to do this myself. So if current path x is smaller, well, if it's smaller than 0, I actually need to know that because there's no way it doesn't start. The line doesn't start at 0. I guess I may be wrong. We got that case, I guess. So and I also need to say that if current position x is bigger than the length of current row, well then let's just make this. No. Voila. But it shouldn't be length. Actually, it should be length minus 1. So now I can't do this. Well, it somehow. Well, I know why it does this actually, but okay. And if I'm here, it still panics. Interesting. It just teleports anyway. Interesting. Somehow weird. It still teleports me even though I basically changed that line, but here it still breaks somehow. And here we probably should like find a way to break But how? Because I can't say return, I can't say break. Well, I can say break because we are in a case, switch case, sorry. Yeah. So here, it's appendix. I guess if current row is, I think we can compare it to this. Not sure. Let's just do this one now, and I probably will have an error that will give me current row if current row is empty, basically. Oh, I can just do this. Break. So now it doesn't error anymore. Perfect. So I can remove some text. It doesn't work as expected, right? But that's fine, you know? That's okay for now. It's not because what's expected in a way is that if I do this, everything is just teleported back. Like everything is moved. Like it replaces this part of the array with nothing. Or at least a space, right? However, what I want is everything that comes after it to just move, you know? There's probably a simple way to do this, but I don't know how. So I guess Sono is fine, and I'm going to stop here. Wait, no, I'm not going to stop here. Never mind. Wait. I need a scheme. I need a schema. So let's open our node. Okay. So this old technique, new software, old technique. So this is a line. This is a line, right? So and the cursor is this. This is the cursor, right? This is the cursor. Basically, the line is made out of a bunch of different characters, right? So basically 0, 1, 2, etc. Und so weiter. Yeah. Okay. So this is the ID. Okay. So in theory, what I want to do is very simple. What I want to do is to take this part. So if I press backspace, I want to take this part, and make them the new line without what I removed. No. Right? So what I can just do, I guess, is get this slice of the slice, this part of the slice, and this part of the slice. And that's all I need. That's all I need. I need to grab this part of the slice and this part of the slice without. I think it's okay. I think it's understandable. Maybe it's not the best way to do it. Maybe there's a better way, but this seems pretty bad to me. Right? I guess. So let's try to do this, right? So I want to get so before cursor is equal to current row from 0 to current plus left x minus 1. In this example, the cursor is at 1, so it's at 1. And so what we want is to get the slice of the array that is from 0 to minus 1. Right? Makes sense. So yeah, then after cur is current row from current plus x, but instead this time I want plus 1 to infinity. I guess, right? Again, to me it makes sense. Maybe I'm not explaining it right. Don't hesitate to tell me. All right. So yeah. So I have the content I want. Now I need to make an array out of those a new slice out of those two slices. So how to join slices? Yes, go. And I'm using the word slices, so I should pretty have. It's appends? Yeah, it's appends. I remember. Okay. So then current row should probably, I guess, be equal to append before cur and after cur, right? Does it make sense? Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. Let's take a look at this. I can't write. Where's current rock? Yeah. Okay. Then use after cur. What? Did Google lie to me or something? Yeah, no, okay. Oh. Yeah, I can just do this. Though in theory, it's wrong. It's wrong, but it works. I don't know how it's doing that, but it's working. What if I do like, yeah, okay. I think I understand what's happening, but I don't know why. Oh, I think I know. I think I know. Maybe. Oh. Sorry. Oopsies. No, okay. This would be weird. Oh, then I don't understand what's happening. Maybe I'm cutting it wrong or something. Maybe it's this. So I'm on P, but I want to remove. So I want to remove M, but it removes IMP. IM. I'm on O. I want to remove P. Panic. Huh. So I'm doing something wrong with the cutting. Let's remove all the pluses, which should probably mean I'm not removing anything anymore. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Okay. So let's say -1 on this one. It panics. So this one that oh maybe. I think I understand. Do I understand? understand. Oh my god. I don't understand how this doesn't mean. How? How? No, wait, how? How? I can't type. I wanted to type something. Okay, here I don't understand. I absolutely, it doesn't make no sense to me. Uh-huh. Oh, I thought that was in the editor. Indeed. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Uh, 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 uh. Because if I like, if I am here, for example, I am here, ready to remove. So what's supposedly going to happen is package M, well, package ma is taken because it's from 0, which is this character, to A, to the cursor. Wait, no. Where is the cursor in there? It's not on A. It's between M and A. Uh-huh. I'm not exactly sure. So this is 0. This means it's on P. But it's not exactly on P. It is before P. But here it's on A, and it's removing what's before A. Because what I'm doing before all of this is already the -1. I'm already doing the -1. In a way, in a sense. Because if I'm on E, what's going to happen is the cursor is going to be here. And then what's going to happen? It's going to remove what's under and move everything there. So, so, um, so, okay. So when I press backspace, what's happening? It's moving my cursor from here to here. Okay? I think. And then it's moving this because it's taking everything from the beginning to J. But I'm wait, no, wait. That still doesn't explain it. No, I don't understand. I really don't. Let's do the opposite for a second. Maybe I'm dumb and everyone is like, but it's fucking making sense. Web developer. Maybe. Okay. Arrays are never very intuitive. So now what's happening? Well, to me, what should be happening is nothing. That's why it doesn't make sense. What should be happening to me here is nothing. Do you understand why I think that? Well, I think that run from 0 to, maybe I just don't understand how slices are. How this operation here is working. How does this work? Oh my god, you can see how it's burning my eyes. So let's right. So let's look at this up for, I think it's Udef Flash Store. This is the lowest luminosity I can get, but I think it's okay. So is there light? Okay, so whatever this is. Okay, so what I want to know, very simply, is the slices. So is there an example with slices in here? Like, basic types. So here they talk about complex numbers. Okay, runes, bytes, units, unit pointer. What the hell? Okay, symbol. Do they talk about type conversion, type inference, constant, main constant congratulation, for continued, for forever, if so it's after for control. Pointers, struct, pointed, struct, array, slice. This. So this is 357. Oopsie. So this is 357. Because it's taking one. So it's taking from 1 to 3, 4. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay, it doesn't make sense to me because it's in square brackets. So it should take from here, like imagine my arm being a square bracket. So from here to here. Okay, I'm trying to make it so it should be in this, but it's actually what's in this. It's what's be okay. So I'm doing this when I'm doing the +1, but the -1. Interesting day. So basically, if I'm taking, so this is my slice, and I want to take from 0 to 0, I actually have to specify 0 to 1. That makes sense. It's actually what's here, because if I say 0 to 0, it's going to take this. Like, oh, okay. So okay. Finally, I understand. So if I ask the slice to give me its content from 0 to 0, it's going to give me this, which is nothing, actually. Right? But if I ask it to take from 0 to 1, it's going to do this. And so what's happening when I'm doing -1 is this. Because I'm doing, like, if I'm on P, if I'm on A just before the P, what's happening? I'm not getting this. I'm getting this, which is nothing. So I'm basically removing all of this. Because with the other, I was doing +1. So I wasn't getting from here to here. I was getting from here to here, which means that everything here would be discarded. But what I wanted was not to discard this, but to discard this. So I don't have to do the -1. I understand. And I'm not sure to understand why they made this decision when they created the language. But no, it makes sense, actually. I think it's just a matter of IDs, and my IDs were wrong. Because I thought 0 to 0 meant this. It just takes the bracket, put it here, and edit here. But what I want is put the open bracket at 0 and end it at 1. So it's just a matter of how you think. It's just a thinking problem, you know? Do you know what I mean? Okay, it was just me. Where's my bottle? I drank it. What? Okay. I put it on the floor for some reason. Okay. Um. hmm. Yeah, this life is quiet. I mean, by the way, you probably don't know. Right here, there is the chat, and there is no one talking. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, well, thank you. Because since this seems to be very long, and I'm, by the way, going to stop here because there is the other stream. So yeah. So we're just going to comment this, and that's it. So let's quit. So there's no fog file going around or something. Oh no, my terminal is broken. Thank you. Ah, I know why I should do this. Yeah. Whenever I use a TY, it just breaks out to me. Okay, this is okay. Yeah, this doesn't go away for some reason. What if I just do this? Now just come back for some reason, okay? But whatever, this is okay. So nothing went in here. If I do this and GC. Nothing weird being added. Let's the git ignore. Adding some more things in here. Nothing really bad. Some more things in main.go. And that's it. Okay. Very simple. All right. So fit text rendering and very, very simple editing. Removing characters. Not text rendering. File rendering. File content rendering. Oops. By the way, scrolling is weird. And that's it for today, guys. So thank you for watching this whole thing. Thank you for being here on this live, no one, and yeah. We'll see each other in the next video, right? And the next live. So we'll probably refactor a bit of things and make the debug function rework, because I may need it in the near future, because what we need to implement next is a better scrolling. We need to find a way to do exactly like Nano, which does this, and maybe showing line numbers, and this probably will be the trickiest part to me, I think. I may be wrong, but I think this will be very tricky. So yeah, maybe I'll change my mind and find another subject, but for now, yeah. Oh my god, I think I will cut this video in half, maybe. Alright, anyway, so see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.